hip movement's good. Knees are working good. Now let's check your arms. Let's see if you're a little ticklish. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Hi. Yes. I'm checking you out. I'm making sure your body's working good. Your head is working good. All right. Perfect. And what time of day is he usually gassy? Like morning?
At
Just
night,
okay.